But now let me welcome Chandan Tapare as well as Kunal Bothra in the show right now. Very good morning, gentlemen, and thank you so much for your time. And Kunal, let me first come to you to have your trade setup strategy, because Nifty 50 did end in the red, but what a stellar move in Nifty Bank. And it's not just the private banks, even the PSU banking names were seen to be participating.
Good morning, Srishti. Yes, I believe, I think yesterday we saw a dual kind of a market phase, something which we've not seen, I think, in the last few days, where the start was a little bit somber for the indices. We managed to retest the, support point of 25,050 on the spot levels. But then from there on, we saw a very strong price recovery for both the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty. There are a couple of reasons for that. Which we discussed even yesterday, that 25,050 is a very strong retracement support for the index over the near term. Also, the put call ratio had come back into a deep oversold territory for the Nifty, so that was one of the major reasons for the index going into the process of a bounce. And then the Bank Nifty moving up higher by almost 300 to 400 points intraday. I think that was a very strong indicator that the banking index is starting to get back into those signs of strength, led by PSU banking stocks this time around, and very few large cap in private sector banking names. So all in all, I would believe that we would just about grind into this range for the next couple of days. 25,000, 25,050 still remains to be a key strong support for the index over the near term. And expectation is that if we hold on to this support level, we should be looking for a bounce back towards 25,400 to 500.
Right. Chandan, hi, good morning. What's the Bank Nifty trade, considering that was the one which was the high flyer yesterday?
Good morning. Thanks for having me. So yesterday, Bank Nifty outperformed the broader market. It took support near its 50-day exponential moving average, and technically it formed a bullish engulfing kind of pattern after the corrective move of last two trading session. The good part is that the Bank Nifty managed to hold the immediate support at 55,150, headed towards 55,650 marks. So I believe some sort of bounce back or recovery could be seen. The good part is that heavyweights counter from the private space like Axis Bank is commanding, and at the same time Kotak Bank is also witnessing buying interest. On the other hand, PSU banks like SBI, Canara Bank are also finding support based buying. So I believe some more upside could be seen in the banking index. However, on the weekly chart, it already has been making higher lows, but the formation of the bullish candle on the daily indicates some more upside could be seen. So I believe with support of 55,150, Bank Nifty has potential to rally towards 55,850 to 56,000 marks.
Right, so that's the take coming in on the benchmark indices. But with this, let's also get you some of the stock ideas from our experts. And Kunal, you go first. Tell us which are the stocks that you are tracking.
So the oil marketing companies start to look attractive even yesterday, and there was a breakout for many of these OMC stocks. I'm picking up HPCL as the first stock. Would recommend a buy with the stock heading towards a breakout about that 420 plus mark. Would look out for 438 as a target for HPCL, and stop loss could be kept at 417. SBI, of course, is one of the top performers, the leaders in terms of the PSU banking names. The way the stock has managed to confirm a breakout post at 820, 825 breakout indicates that we could be looking at a much higher upside over the near term. 900 could be a near-term target for SBI. Stop loss could be trailed to 850.
Right, and Chandan, what stocks are you betting on this morning?
Yeah, so I'll focus on auto ancillaries and selective metal name, because these two sectors are comparatively doing well apart from Nifty CPSC index and the PSU counters. So first that is buy on Sundaram Madras or Motherson Sumi. The stock has given a pole and flag breakout on the daily chart after the consolidation of last 5 trading session. In the last 5 days, it managed to hold support at 108, while on the weekly chart, it has been making a high top, high bottom. The stock is now quoting at its 9 months highest level. So this breakout clearly suggests the fresh leg of rally. So recommending to buy with support of 110, and this counter can head towards 116 levels. Second trading idea, that is buy on counter like Tata Steel, because positive view on metal counter and counter like Tata Steel and NMDC can do well. So to comment on Tata Steel, the stock has seen consolidation breakout of last 11 trading session. We have seen sustained put writing with multiple support near 168, 169 marks, which indicate positive momentum in the counter. So one can buy with support of 169 for an upside target towards 181 marks.
All right, so those are the buy calls coming in from both of our experts. Let's watch out for that. But with this, viewers, time now to slip into a very short break. Don't go anywhere. Lots more lined up on the other side.